Learn how to organize and segment contacts using the Add Contact Tag action. The Add Contact Tag action automatically applies one or more tags to a contact when they reach this step in the workflow. Drag the Add Contact Tag action onto the workflow canvas and open it to configure the tags. Click the Tag field to view the tags that already exist in your organization. You can select an existing tag or start typing to create a new one. In this example, I'll create a new tag called Lead Quiz Completed. This will help identify contacts who completed the quiz. You can add multiple tags within the same action. Once you have selected the tags you need, click Save. Now that we've added a tag, let's look at how to remove one when it is no longer relevant. The Remove Contact Tag action removes one or more existing tags when a contact reaches this step. Select the tag you want to remove, then save the action. This helps keep contact tagging up to date.